We are entering a new era of spirituality. This is the age where spiritual gurus are dissolving. People are no longer looking for someone outside of them to save them. I think we are seeing a whole new level of awakening. Instead of finding someone to idolize, people are actually looking to remember themselves. The way that I see it is we don't need more pedestals, right? We don't need more people to tell us what to do. We actually need more mirrors. We need more people to remind us of who we truly are. The real teachers are the people in your life, the experiences that you're having, and the emotions that you're feeling. We're not looking for more perfect people. We're looking for people who are just like us, who are flawed but working on it, who does not have their life 100% put together, but is still able to find peace and joy in between all the mess. Because we are now realizing that healing and awakening is no longer about escaping the world that we're living in. It's about being present wherever we are. It's not about looking up at someone who claims to have all the answers, but it's about finding that person or that community that can reflect back to us what we really need. But ultimately, the answer will be given to you by you. This doesn't mean that healing needs to be done alone, because again, like I said, having a mirror is better than having a pedestal. So that means people and experiences are needed for you to meet yourself deeper. This is why I love joining communities online or in person, because again, healing in community is honestly, it's so extremely powerful. Like going inward and tuning into your soul in community, I think should be a non-negotiable right now, really. Because having a group of friends who support you, a group that is on the same journey as you is really helpful. Because what I realize is the spiritual awakening journey can be really lonely. It can make you feel so isolated. But when you are surrounded by the same people who can talk about, similar things, who are on the same journey as you, that can make you feel really connected. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is we are realizing that we don't need middlemen to validate our connection to ourselves and God. This means that you have direct access to source. We're also entering the age of Aquarius, so this is even more about choosing the right person for you to resonate with. This new paradigm of spirituality is raw and authentic. It's not about surrendering your power to someone outside of you, to someone who you think is better than you. It's about reclaiming yourself and your God within. So if you have felt disillusioned by spiritual hierarchies, or you're tired of being told to raise your vibration without, being allowed to feel human, I think you're waking up. You're realizing the truth of who you are and of life. And the era of spiritual gurus is dying before our eyes. And I think the era of self-remembrance, of self-validation is being born. Let me know if this resonates. Comment below. I would love to hear from you.